All right, so I'm going to show you how to manage some of the scene elements in the game, move between different scenes, get everything kind of set up. So one of the first things that you're going to do is when you go up to File, you're going to look at your build profiles, and you want to make sure that when you see the build profile, that it's going to show all of the different scenes that are available. So it'll look something like this. So if you don't see your scene here, and you can also change the order as well. So if you look at this list, for instance, it says intro, win scene, lose scene, main scene, secondary scene. So you should see like every scene that's created in this setting right here. And if you don't see it, you'd open the scene and then click add open scenes.